Hi guys, my name is Ritika. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you all two different ways to do wing liner. One is an easier way, one is a hack. I know every girl loves to do wing liner, so I thought this is the perfect way to show you guys how to do it. So let's quickly get started. So I'm going to be using a felt tip liner because it's the easiest to use. So the first way is the freehand way. What I like to do is follow my lower lash line towards the arch of my eyebrow and draw the outside edge, and then connect the outside edge to the inner edge, drawing a V, and then connecting it in from the inner corner to that V and then filling it in. The second way is using scotch tape. Scotch tape is like the best thing ever to draw a wing liner. It's the same technique. You draw the outer wing, connect the edge of the outer wing to your lash line, and you draw the V, and then again connect it from the inner corner to the V and then fill it in. Voila, your wings are done. It's that easy. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I'll see you all in my next one very soon. Until then, bye.